Hello, beautiful people. Hope you all are good. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe of garlic chutney. Here I'm grinding some cumin seeds and some coriander seeds uh, in a grinding stone. This is a traditional grinding stone used in a Nepali household, and the masala prepared using this grinding stone taste really good. There is a bit of difference in taste if you are making it in like making the paste in grinding stone, and if you are making the paste in mixer grinder. Now I am adding the soaked Kashmiri red chili. I have soaked this Kashmiri red chili for 6 to 7 hours in a normal water. So we are making the paste of this Kashmiri red chili for the color of the chutney. It adds a beautiful color to the chutney. And if you don't have Kashmiri red chili red chili uh, whole Kashmiri red chili, then you can use the Kashmiri red chili powder, which is easily available in the market. And for cumin and coriander seeds also, if you don't have seeds, you can use the powder. That's okay, but I am especially making this because I want to see how it tastes in this grinding stone. This is the traditional method of making this chutney, and this is usually prepared in my home during winter. As we all know that garlic is very good for to strengthen the immune system and to fight with cold, flu, and infection during winter. And we should really add garlic in our diet. Now you can see the color, it's getting very good. And I'm adding only handful of garlic in this stone to make the paste, because it was very slippery and I was not knowing the technique of making this um, or grinding this uh, masala in the grinding stone. So I used the rest of the garlic. um, i I used mixer grinder to grind the rest of the garlic. And so you can see half thing was done in this grinding stone and half thing was done in the mixer grinder. But anyway, the taste was really good. So if you are like, if the stone is available, and if you like, if you know how to use it, then you can make the whole thing. You can make the paste in this stone, and then you can cook it. It will be really delicious. This is the main formula to make it really tasty. So anyway, I was not able to make the paste in this grinding stone. So I just used mixer grinder to make the paste of rest of the garlic. Now, after making the paste, I'm using a cast iron kadhae to make this chutney, and I'm using ghee. You can use coconut oil or mustard oil as per your choice. I'm using here ghee. You have to add one extra spoon of ghee to it, or oil to it if you are adding oil. And it also works as a preservative, like we have to preserve it for at least a week. Now I am adding some cumin seeds and some asafoetida or hing. Now I am adding the paste of garlic, Kashmiri red chili, and the um, coriander and cumin seeds. Just mix it quickly, otherwise it will get burned. So in this chutney, we have to use as less water as possible. Like, it's better if you are not using water, but for me it was quite difficult to make it without water, to or to grind it without water. So I have used a very little amount of water. But without, if you are not using water, it will be really good, but I don't think that uh, that's possible. So now I have to mix it very well, and then you have to cook it, cover it and cook it, and mix it in between, otherwise it will get burned. and then it might take at least half an hour to 45 minutes depending on the quantity of garlic chutney. Here I'm adding salt as per your taste, some regular red chili powder, as that Kashmiri red chili powder, as I mentioned that it is not spicy, so you have to make this chutney really spicy. So I'm adding regular red chili powder. Turmeric powder is optional, and again adding some Kashmiri red chili powder because the color was not as I wanted. So we need to just mix it and cook it. It's very easy. Very few ingredients are required to make this chutney, and it's very like homely. You can just have it with the roti or bread or rice. Only this chutney is enough during winter. So now you have to just cover it and cook it very well. You have to stir in between so that it doesn't get burned, and then once it is cooked very well, then it will release the oil or ghee which we have used in the chutney. So you can see the texture. It will just all the water will get evaporated and it will become like a chutney and then you can enjoy this chutney with roti or rice or even bread, and it's a staple food for winter. And do prepare this garlic chutney and enjoy with your family because it is also beneficial for your health. And if it is cooked in home or prepared in home, then it always have a special touch in it, the homely touch. And hope you all will enjoy this recipe, and if you like it, do comment and like my videos, do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. And at last we have to add like half or like depends on the quantity, we have to add lemon juice. Transfer it into a container, glass container especially, and then squeeze the lemon juice into it, fresh lemon juice, and then mix it and enjoy this chutney. It will be really tasty. I hope you all will enjoy this chutney recipe and enjoy. Thank you for watching my videos.